Hi everyone, Mr. Zaki with you. Now we will solve the problems that the same problems in GAT, model where. How I solve the problems in short way or in as you in mental also you can solve it or by rules as you like. Okay, now think with me. 3 to the power 10 plus 3 to the power 10 plus 3 to the power 10. What is the answer? Think with me. Team, Khalid Dosari, are you with me? Shams, Sahra, Muhammad Ibrahim, Zainab Rubah, Haya. What is the answer here? Ali Muayyad, Kadi. Think please, and I want to choose the correct answer. What is the correct answer here? 3 to the power 11. How Tib you solve the problems? Khalid, you said 3 to the power 10. No, you can't add exponent. No. Why you can't add the exponent? No, Yariam, no, not correct. Tib is correct. Dima is C. No, Dima. No, Dima, no, Zahra, no. How I solve these problems? No, Zahra, no. Not A, not B, not C, it is D. How? Haya, no. How I solve these problems? Look here. When you see Ali Muayyad, when you see here addition, you can add the exponent. You can't add because you have addition, right? When you have multiplication, 3 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 7, when you have multiplication on the same basic, then you can add here. 3, it is 5 plus what? Plus 7, Ali Muayyad, Rida. It is what? What is the answer here? 5 plus 7, what is it? It is what? 3 to the power 12. You see? Kadi, Aljuri, Nashmi, Nardin. Do you see? You have here, when you have multiplication, you add the exponent when you have the same basic. Okay? Okay, now I have addition. What I will do, Tip, you take a common factor. My student, please. What I will do, you take a common factor here. What is a common factor? Can you tell me? Also, you take a common factor, or you said how many I have 3 to the power 10, Zahra? How many? 3 to the power 10 I have? I have 3 times, right? How many times? I have 3 times, so 3 times 3 to the power 10, like this, right? Now I have multiplication. Khalid Doseri, I have now multiplication, right? Now I add the exponent. So the answer is 1 plus 10, right, Turkey? So the answer is 3 to the power 11. So the answer is D. Right, Tib, yes. You are intelligent, right? Do you understand, my student? Hello, are you with me? Do you understand? Muhammad Ibrahim, yes. Good. Aljuri, Zainab, Yasmin, right. Do you understand? Nardin, Zahra, Dana? Right, good. It is fine. So you can't add when you see addition. You change to multiplication. How many times I have it? I have it 3 times. You write 3 to the power 1 times 3 to the power 10. Then you add. So the answer is 3 to the power 11. Khalid, do you understand? Khalid Dosari. Yes, right. Good. Okay, now compare. The second one. These questions from GAT. So you must think how to solve the problems. Now number 2, compare between two values, value of A, value of B. How I compare between two values in a good way or short way. Do you have an idea? Khalid said B. Okay, no need here multiplication, my student. No, not A, not B is wrong. Yes, Zainab Arba, how do you solve? Here, no need to get the answer of multiplication, no need. What I will do, only you factoring, Ali Shabraka. Where are you, Ali Shabraka? Are you with me? Only you factoring, Ali Shabraka. Only you factoring, Zainab. What I will do, I write it here, 89. Yes, right, 89, 81. It is what? 9 multiply by what? 9, right? What about 8? It is also, you can write it 2 times 4, right? Only you factoring to simplify the problems. And here 7, to be simple. And 27, what is it when you factor in? It is 9 times 3 time. What about 14? Zahra, it is 2 times 7, right? And what about 12? It is 3 times 4, right? And you simplify. Right, good, Zahra. Now you can simplify here. 9 with 9. Also 2 with 2. 7 with 7. 3 times 3, it is 9 with 9. 4 with 4. Oh my God, I don't have any numbers now. Each number is leave. So the answer is equals. The two values are equal. Do you see how to solve the problems? Because you don't have any calculator in your exam. So no need to multiplication. To get the multiplication right, to multiply. You see? Only factoring and you simplify the number. Do you understand, my student? Right, Khalid. Yes, salam alaikum. Good, Khalid. Now, number, what is the value of this answer? The value of 120 minus 64 divided 8 times 4 is what? Here you must know how, which one is you start. That's operate. That's we saw operation. The operation, you must order the operation. What is the stronger? You start with multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Also, the first is brackets, then power, then power or exponent, then multiplication and this. I think you know this. Now, how I solve these problems? Okay, I start with what? Division, because from left to right, it is 8. Okay, I will check the answer. Right? Yes. Then you multiply by 4. It is 32. 120 minus 32, it is 88. Is it easy, Ali Shabraka? Rida, is it easy? Do you understand? Ali Shabraka? Zainab Rubah, do you understand? Yes, it is 88. I think it is simple. Okay, now number 4. How do you add from 1 to 100? This question is very important. How do you answer, or how do you add from 1 to 100? Do you have any idea? Okay, I have a rule, or by mental. How by mental? I give you 2 ways. Why? Because maybe you forget a formula. When you forget a formula, you can't get the answer. So I give you a mental way. How? Okay, pay attention, please. Now you can add here 1 plus 99. It is what, Zainab Rubah? It is what? 1 plus 99. It is what? 100. Yes, salam alaykum, Tib. Yes, you are intelligent, Tib. Right. Also 2 with 98. It is 100. 3 plus 97. It is 100. 4 plus 96. It is 100. How many 100 I have? How many 100 I have? No, not 4. Because many 100, I have the half of 100. I have 50 100. I have 50, the half of 100. Right, Ali Shabraka. And the middle one. What is the middle one? The middle one is 50, because I don't have 250, only 150. So I add 50. So you can now calculate this. 100 times 50, it is 5,000, and plus 50. So the answer is 5,050, right? So the answer is D. Is it clear? Zahra, is it clear? This without formula. You don't understand? Okay, I explained before. I give you also a formula first, how to solve these problems with formula. I have here, when you want the sum, I want the sum equals n, you multiply by n or plus 1. Please write this formula, because it is important to find any sum from 1. Only substitute. N is 100. N is 100. You write it here. We write S equals, N is 100. You write here 100. Then also here 100 plus 1 divided by 2, Yalinda. Then you can simplify, right? Between 2 and 100 divided 2, it is 50, right? So the sum is, you multiply 50 times 100 plus 101. Then when you multiply it, it is 5010. Oh, sorry, 50. I think, is it easy by formula? Khalid Dosari, Zainab, Linda, do you understand? Is it easy? Right. You write the sum in, then you substitute in. That's, I think it is easy, right? Okay, I give you example. I want to solve. I want to find the sum from 1 to 20. From 1 to 20. What is the sum from 1 to 20? What is the sum? Okay, can you get the answer? What is the sum? Yes, Steve. Intelligent Steve. Right, yeah, Steve. You are intelligent, right? Khalid, yes. Fatima. Good, Fatima. Perfect, good. 210, right? Ali Shabraka, do you get the answer? Rida, do you get the answer? No. Zainab, Ruba, do you get the answer? Okay, right, good. Zahra, do you understand these problems? Right, good. So because only you substitute here, you write when you want to solve these problems, Ali Muayyad, you write here 20, and 20 plus 1, it is 21. So 21 and divided by what? By 2, and you can simplify, it is 10. So 10 times 21 equals 2 and 10. It is easy, right? Good. Good, that's fine. Okay, now we solved these problems before. What do you think? What is the answer here? We solved this problem. Can you solve with me? It is what? It is 5. The same problems we solved it before. Yes, Salam. Good. Now, I write it the numbers. What is it? X over Y. We suppose that here, because the denominator is 1 here, and X will be 7, Y will be what? 1. And you substitute in the equation. X will be, you put here 7 plus 3, Y you put 1 divided by 2, multiply Y is 1. So the answer is 7 plus 3, it is 10, divided by 2. So the answer is 5. Is it clear, Zahra? Zahra Zuhair, is it clear? Zainab, Yasmin, is it clear? I think it is easy now for you. Right? Good. Okay, now we take this question. How many even integer numbers are between 12 over 5 and 56 over 5? Do you know even numbers and odd numbers and primary numbers? Can you give me even numbers? Can you give me even numbers like what? Yes, Dana, right. Perfect, perfect, right. Odd numbers. Can you give me odd numbers? Right, Khalid Dosari, right. Good, good, perfect, perfect, right. Now, how many even integers number are between 12/5 and 56/5? So what I will do, how do you get? So what I will do here, 12/5, you write it approximate. What do you think? 12/5 approximate is what? Is 2, right? And 56/5, you write it here, 55. So 55 divided by 5, it is what? It is 11, right? So you write the answer here. What is the even numbers between 2 and 11? It is what? Can you write with me or can you help me? 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So I have how many numbers? Oh, not 4, not 5. How many numbers I have? How many numbers? How even integers I have? It is 4 integers. Right? 4 here. Right. Good, Khalid. Is it clear? You find the approximate of the answer, then you get the even integer numbers. Okay, we will take the last questions now, then we will go to the variable section. The measure of the exterior angle of an equilateral triangle. What is the answer here? Yes, integer. Okay, now, what is the exterior angle? I want to know everything. Look here, I have a triangle here. Look, I have a triangle. This, where is it the exterior number? What is the exterior angle? The exterior angle is here. What is it? The sum of two angles that's far away. Now, when I write it here X, and here Y, and here Z, so the exterior angle is what? X equals what? X equals two angles Y plus what? Plus Z, right? So now he said the measure of the exterior angle of an equilateral. That's equilateral, that's the same angle we have it. We have 60 here, and also with Y, here Y also is 60. So here will be also 60 and also here 60. Then x will be what? 120 because the exterior angle is 120. Is it clear, Ali Shabraka? Muhammad Ibrahim, is it clear, my student? Right, good. Thank you very much for watching and for everything. Thank you, Mr. Zaki, with you, and bye. Best wishes for you.